Is that corn skin?
Or is it chicken?
Is it salad? Toilet bowl?
Or it could be filet mignon.
Maybe.
What is corn skin?
Corn kernels. The mama says that.
Oh, welcome back everybody to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di and Gio. Red meat has gotten a pretty bad rap over the years, especially when it comes to digestion.
Yeah, so we dove into the data to iron the facts out from the fiction. So you get it?
Get
Because
what?
I said iron, like there's iron in red meat.
Let's first briefly talk about how digestion even works. We have this stuff in our stomach called hydrochloric acid.
Which begins breaking down food after we chew and swallow it.
Our entire digestive system from saliva down to our colon is geared to digest meats as well as plants.
Not one or the other.
Your digestive system is a functional tool for breaking down foods.
Sugars for carbohydrates.
Amino acids for proteins.
Fatty acids for fats.
Because these processes are different, your foods are going to digest at varying rates.
Carbohydrates are typically the fastest to digest, while fats are the slowest. Foods with higher fat content take longer to digest.
Also, foods with a lower fat content, connective tissue, and shorter muscle fibers are easier to digest. But that means if the piece of chicken that you're eating has more fat and muscle fibers than a lean piece of beef or pork,
then that piece of chicken will take longer to digest.
which isn't necessarily a bad thing because foods that take longer to digest also help to control your blood sugar.
Which helps to keep you full longer.
This also means that poultry is not necessarily better for you than red meat.
This is an interesting revelation since many of us think that red meat should be cut from our diet. Your health condition also plays a huge role in your digestion.
If you're deficient in pancreatic enzymes and acids, it's going to be harder for you to digest foods.
If you have a properly functioning digestive system, red meat is not hard to digest.
It just has a longer transit time than carbs do through the gut, which again is a good thing. The problem is nowadays people do things to their body that it just was not designed to do.
Which causes it to function poorly. So the red meat myth has been thoroughly debunked.
Yeah, just do the research yourself. Put it this way, if meat were hard to digest, you'd be pooping out chunks of meat and having all sorts of issues.
This is a shitty conversation if you ask me. Meat is completely digestible.
What your poop is really comprised of is insoluble fiber,
Dead bacteria,
mucus.
and any remaining undigested food. Now, don't go out and eat a whole cow.
Yeah, this doesn't mean to go out and eat, just have an entire diet of red meat. Everything in moderation.
Thanks again, everyone, for tuning into another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells. Gio left me, so I'm actually playing both roles right now. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, be sure to leave a message in the comments. Or, for more great episodes, check out besteverywhere.me.